What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel Bullets Garage. Coming at you today, we got these bad Vossen wheels and we're going to talk about specs. Alright guys, so from the previous videos, you know that I got these beautiful HC2 forged Vossen wheels in this beautiful dark smoke finish, nice red Vossen logo in the middle, made in the USA. Beautiful, beautiful wheels, got them used, and I'm extremely happy with them. A lot of you have been asking about what are the wheel specs, how wide are they? Are they 19s, are they 20s? So let's talk about that in this short video today. So let's do a quick overview of what the GSF comes with stock. So the stock GSF comes with 19 by 9 inch, I believe they're about a 50-ish offset in the front for the regular wheels, and then a 19 by 10 with like a 45-ish offset in the rear. So as you know, I needed to get spacers to make those wheels sit flush with the fender because the offsets were not very aggressive, they were conservative. So that's the specs of the original wheels. Here with these Vossens, we went up one size. So these are 20-inch wheels. The rear, boys and girls, let me turn this for you. This is the rear wheel. 20 by 11. 11 inches wide in the rear. We're gonna have some beautiful, beautiful poke with this. The offset in the rear is positive 35, so ET 35 in the rear. So 20 by 11, ET 35 in the rear. The front is 20 by 9.5, ET 32. Those are the specs of these bad boys. Of course, they're gonna fit on the GSF because these were specifically made for a GSF. The previous owner, I will put a link in the description below to his Instagram. I believe his name is Pledge Allegiance to the F, and he had these bad boys. He went up to 21-inch wheels, so I got these for a great deal, and they are mine now. So those are the spec of the wheels. Coming up in another video, I'm going to talk about what tires I need to run in order to clear the rear quarter panels and not rub. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe below, hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with that video. Peace out.